to mail the dirty laundry home. Just before spring break, Sawyer, a college freshman, was about to experience his first trip home from college. But what his parents first saw was not their son, but a package. What made this package so special? When the parents opened the big box, they were greeted by a shocking sight of a huge bag full of dirty clothes. It turned out those were Sawyer's clothes he wore in college, but still unwashed. In fact, Sawyer had never washed clothes by himself since childhood. Every time he opened his closet, he would find something relatively clean to wear. Even when Sawyer became a college student, he still didn't realize he needed to do his laundry, so he sent all of the clothes to need to be washed back home. When Sawyer came home, he found that the dirty clothes were left intact at home, and he was very puzzled. So he ran to ask his mother why the clothes were still dirty. The mother said seriously, "Sawyer, firstly, I want to apologize to you. You can't live independently because of my overindulge. Secondly, I didn't wash your clothes because you already are a college student, so you have to learn to live on your own. From today on, I will teach you how to wash clothes and take care of yourself. I can stay with you for a lifetime and take care of you for the rest of my life. One day, I may leave you forever." Sawyer felt ashamed after listening to his mother's words. Then he washed all the clothes under the guidance of his mother. Actually, he found out that washing clothes were not that hard as he thought. We should learn to live independently. We should actively ask our parents to teach us how to deal with the daily chores.